To create a character in Polybuzz, start by accessing the platform and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the character creation section, usually found in the main menu or dashboard. In the character creation section, you will be prompted to choose a character type, such as a human, animal, or object. Select the type that best fits the character you want to create. Next, you will be asked to customize your character's appearance, including its shape, size, color, and texture. Use the provided tools and options to make your character unique and visually appealing. After customizing the appearance, you will need to add animations and movements to your character. This can be done by selecting from a range of pre-made animations or by creating your own using the platform's animation tools. Once you have added animations, you can proceed to add audio and sound effects to your character. This can include voiceovers, sound effects, or music that enhance the character's personality and overall experience. With your character's appearance, animations, and audio in place, you can now start to bring it to life by adding interactions and behaviors. This can include setting up responses to user input, creating dialogue, or programming the character to perform specific actions. Finally, review and test your character to ensure it is working as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to its appearance, animations, audio, or interactions to perfect its overall design and functionality. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by Polybuzz, you can create a unique and engaging character that enhances the user experience and brings your vision to life. Remember to keep your character design consistent with your overall project or brand, and to test and refine it regularly to ensure it meets your needs and expectations.